Handover day. How does it feel?
It's good, mate. Yeah, it's the exciting part. Seeing everyone all happy and getting them to move over. There'll be a little while. They've got some landscaping and fencing and whatnot to do. Edward has to put his touch on things. Yeah, Donna said she's not moving into the landscaping's done and the fence is done. So, and here he is now. Look at this. Hey! Hey guys, how we doing?
Good.
Well guys, congratulations. Welcome to your new home.
It's spacious, isn't it?
Get some nice natural light coming through.
Yeah, Jess has been dying for some minutes.
Right.
I've never had a room with it.
This is a cracking space.
Yeah, it's so good.
I was expecting.
And just as a token of our appreciation, Chris and I, we like to, at the end of each job, make a little donation to a cause that's very important to each homeowner and each journey. So obviously we've heard about your little nephew, Ollie, that's going through a bit of a tough time. So just a token of our appreciation and wish him well on his journey. There was some tears today from Jesse when we did the handover with the donation. Yeah, that means a lot for Phil and I to be able to give something back to the community and something that's important to them. It's a real moment for us and just as much for the client. Yeah, the genuine grin from ear to ear is what we love, and that's what we do it for. Just seeing them there and enjoying it, and for many, many years to come, and many more, you know, they were talking about little more kids, pattern of feet, and just understanding that, you know, what we've had a hand in, yeah, it's really special. Oh, I love it, and I think that's what people choose to build with us. And they meet us and we're very raw and pull back. We're not salesy. They go, this is going to be a fun and entertaining build and not going to be stressful like a lot of people, you know, make it out to be.
I keep saying this is the house that our friends with rich parents had. So it's pretty exciting.
I just love every direction I look. I can see the sky and sunlight.
I'm really happy with the result, and it feels really a happy colour. Yeah, so I'm sure there's going to be lots of joy here. Yeah.
I think it's a really beautiful home. I didn't know how it would evolve, and it's been really beautiful. It just represents a really strong, close-knit family.
The new house is just what we expected, sharing our lives with our children and our grandson. Life's pretty good. Yeah, everything's pretty handy. The house is built for purpose. Yeah, life is good.
If we bought an existing house, I think it would have been a lot more expensive, and we wouldn't have got that perfect balance between like separate living spaces, but also close enough that you can lean on each other very easily.
We would not be able to live the way we live with a stock house.
The house is set up the way we wanted it to be so that we could live together without being on top of each other. That's meant our lives together are close, but also separate. Yeah, it's really good. Success.
It's like a dream come true. You know, we went through this process, and you know, it's probably over a year now since we first sat down and just prior to signing contracts and mulled over these plans. But this is the happy part when it becomes a home. When they move in and you see their little take and their little furnishings that they put in. You know, the trinkets on the walls, the pictures, and it's great to be invited at this stage to be able to come back and see how they're living at home. And to be honest, this house is exactly what Edward envisioned. Yeah, walking through right now and just seeing the vision that he had is coming to life right now, right in front of us. So it's pretty special.
In fact, it's even better than expected. It really shows that when we designed that we got something right, because they all love it.
There's elements for everyone. Yeah. Yeah, and we didn't design the house for us. We designed our house for us plus so many extras.
Xavier loves it. Now that he's crawling, he's like doing laps up and down the hallway. Even if he hears mum or dad wake up in the morning, he like lights up. He's just like, oh, there's movement. If he's going too fast, he gets speed wobbles. Sometimes he does fall over. But that's just because he's so excited to see them every morning. And I think that's really beautiful.
Yeah, there is a highway here.
Clam sanctuary.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's funny.
Yeah.
We had that inbuilt support system. I think it's made me really grateful, and I think given me a greater love and respect for my parents.
I think it'll just be really exciting to raise a family here.
I'm so excited to see what the future holds.
Yeah, look, we are starting to get a couple of inquiries and builds coming right now in Deception Bay especially. We've got a couple here in the close area. The trend is moving forward to whether some of these older areas is time to refresh, time to knock it down and start again. And obviously the value of more and more of these happening is just going to grow the value in this area. Yeah, it's a bit of a natural progression in any area. You know, at a certain stage, you know, it's the old in with the new. You know, the value is in the land more so than some of the old homes that are here, and you've got the potential of making some really good growth in in your portfolio when you start again with a new build.
Everyone said it's a really good purchase. You'll get your money's worth in 10 years. They can definitely see that's going to occur. The reaction's been good. Everyone's like, well, we can definitely know which is your house on the street.